A very good morning and Jai Hind children. Welcome to biology class. Children, today we are going to revise the chapter components of food. So we have already revised the chapter sources of food and now we will revise the chapter components of food. Okay. I hope you have done the worksheet that I have sent you yesterday. If you come across any kind of doubt children, please do ask in the group. Okay. Now, please open this chapter, Components of Food, chapter number 2. Please open this chapter. Now, I am going to share the chapter's PDF and from there we are going to revise the important things about this chapter. Okay. So, chapter number 2, Components of Food. So, what is important in the previous chapter, that is sources of food, we have already studied about what is nutrient, what are different sources of food, from where we get the ingredients. Alright, so all these things we have studied in the previous chapter. Now, this chapter is little elaborated version of the previous chapter, that is sources of food. So, in this chapter, we are going to study basically about the nutrients. Which type of food will give us which type of nutrient, that we are going to study in this chapter, and also because of the deficiency of these nutrients, what diseases occur. This also we will study in this chapter. So this chapter is very important children. So we are going to quickly revise it. So be attentive in class. So children, what is nutrient? Tell me quickly, what is nutrient? So nutrients are the chemical compounds or the chemical substances that gives us energy. That is called nutrient. Okay. And what basically is nutrient? From where we get the nutrient? We get the nutrient from food. Okay. And we know the different types of foods provides us different types of nutrients. What are the different types of nutrients? They are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These are the different types of nutrients. So which is very essential for our body, for the growth of our body, for performing any function, for doing anything, we require energy. So and we require nutrient for performing several functions. So the nutrients that are important here is carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Apart from these things, we also require water and roughage. Okay. So in this chapter, we are going to study about carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals and water and roughage. Okay. So what are all these things? So children, let's starting with carbohydrate. So basically, we get carbohydrate or carbs from these things like potato, sugar, maize, rice, wheat. All these things gives us carbohydrate. Okay. But the main source of carbohydrate is sugar and starch. So sugars and starch are the main carbohydrates. Okay. Among this also we know that sugar gives us quick energy. Sugar gives us quick energy. Carbohydrate itself is acting as a quick energy giver. Okay? Like for example, whenever we are feeling weak, whenever we are feeling very hazy, that times we eat glucose. We drink glucose water. Yes, so what is that glucose? That is nothing but a carbohydrate and it gives us quick energy. So among starch and sugar, sugar gives us instant energy. Starch takes little time to give us energy. Okay. So starch release energy but more slowly than sugar. This is important line here. Please underline this. So rice, wheat, potatoes, bananas, bread and sugar are good source of carbohydrate. Okay. If the carbohydrate consumed are more, so fine, carbohydrate gives us quick energy, sugar and starch are the carbohydrate. कार्ब शुगर जिसमें से हमें जल्दी एनर्जी देता है, इंस्टेंट एनर्जी देता है. स्टार्च टेक्स अ लिटिल टाइम टू गिव्स अस एनर्जी. ओके, so now the example that you are seeing here, see, potatoes, wheat, rice, all these things are containing starch. Okay, so they gives us energy very slowly, not instantly, they take a little time. But children, up now what you will think that if we take so much of carbohydrate, we'll become very energetic. No. If we are taking the ample amount of and a more amount of carbohydrate, that carbohydrate will be converted into a fat. Okay, if we are taking excess amount of carbohydrate, that carbohydrate will be converted into fat. Okay, so excess of carbohydrate is not good. Clear? Apart from carbohydrate, fats also gives us energy, but it is प्रेजेंट इन द स्टोर्ड फॉर्म. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि फैट हमें क्विक एनर्जी देता है, ये हमारी बॉडी में स्टोर्ड रहता है. बेसिकली इट इज स्टोर्ड बीनीथ द मसल, बीनीथ द सरफेस ऑफ द मसल. सो इट इज प्रेजेंट देयर इन अ स्टोर्ड फॉर्म. जब हमारे बॉडी में कार्बोहाइड्रेट की कमी हो जाती है, जब हमारी बॉडी में एनर्जी का स्टोरेज कम हो जाता है, व्हेन वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द इंस्टेंट एनर्जी, शुगर कम हो जाता है हमारी बॉडी में, then this fat, this stored energy gets activated and then this fat is utilized. Are you getting my point? So fat also gives us energy, but it is present in a stored form. Okay, so it gives us energy in a stored form. Okay, fat, because of the presence of fat, our body also keeps us warm. Okay, because fat is present beneath the muscle layer, so it muscle or skin layer, so it keeps our body warm. Okay, now these things are the examples of fat. Ghee, almond, butter, peanut, all these things are containing fat. Getting it? Butter and ghee are animal fat. Okay, because butter and ghee we obtain from milk, alright, or curd, and that milk and curd we get it from animal. Milk we get it from animal, right? So butter and ghee are animal fat, whereas groundnut, sunflower, coconut oil, mustard oil, other vegetables oil, nuts, these things are plant fats. Okay, so fat is divided into two parts, animal fat and plant fat. जो भी चीज हमें एनिमल से मिलती है, like milk and the milk products, they are animal fat. Okay, whereas this groundnut, peanut, nuts and coconut oil and vegetable oil, all these things we are getting it from plant, so they are called plant fat. Okay, whereas meat, fish, egg, cheese are also good source of fat. Now coming on to protein. So we have studied about carbohydrate. Carbohydrate gives us quick energy. Sugar and starch are the carbohydrate. Sugar gives us instant energy, whereas starch takes time to give us energy. So example of carbohydrates were, the sources of carbohydrate were rice, potatoes, wheat, maize and everything. They are the sources of carbohydrate. Coming on to fat. And one more thing in carbohydrate, that we should not take excess amount of carbohydrate, otherwise it will be converted into fat and it will get stored in our body and we will get fatty. Okay, so the person who is consuming a large amount of carbohydrate is suffering from the disease called obesity. Very good. The person become very fat. So due to the deficiency of carbohydrate or due to the excess of carbohydrate, the person become fat and obese. Okay, so that is a disease caused by carbohydrate. Fat also gives us energy, but energy is present in stored form. Okay, there are two types of fats, animal fat and plant fat. So milk and milk product like butter and ghee, is a animal fat, whereas vegetable oils, groundnut oil and everything is a plant fat. Meat, fish, egg, all these also provides us fat. Getting it? Coming on to protein. Children, protein is very important. The main source of protein is pulses. Okay. Children, that is why the Indian food is said to be the complete nutritious food. Indian food क्या होता है? Roti, sabji, dal, chawal. So we get all the nutrient in this. From dal we get the protein. From roti we get the carbohydrate and fiber. From rice we get a carbohydrate. From vegetables we get certain minerals and proteins and vitamins also if we are having a green vegetable, leafy vegetables. Okay, so the Indian food is said to be a complete nutritive food. Okay, that is why we should every day consume roti, sabji, dal, chawal. Okay, now coming on to protein. Why protein is important? Children, protein, the main source of protein is pulses, dal. जितनी भी दाल होती है, राजमा होता है, all these things are good source of protein. And why protein is important? Because protein builds our body. कहीं भी हमें चोट लग जाती है या हमारे बॉडी में जितनी भी सेल्स हैं या जितने भी मसल्स हैं उनको कौन बनाता है? प्रोटीन बनाता है. ओके, इफ यू आर हैविंग अ डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ प्रोटीन, आपकी बॉडी बहुत वीक हो जाएगी, यू विल नॉट ग्रो प्रॉपरली, आपकी हाइट बहुत इंक्रीज नहीं होगी, आपके मसल्स इतने स्ट्रांग नहीं होंगे इफ यू आर हैविंग अ डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ प्रोटीन. ओके, सो प्रोटीन हेल्प्स अस इन बिल्डिंग आवर बॉडी and basically it helps in the growth of our body, growth and development of the body, which is very essential at your age. Okay, I told you all these things when I was teaching you this chapter thoroughly. That time I also told you that you should take protein diet. Okay, now what are the sources of protein diet? The sources of protein diet are pulses, soya bean, they are plant protein, meat, fish, egg, milk, they are animal proteins. So these are the sources of protein, and as an adult we should consume 50 to 60 grams per day. Okay, so this is very important. Protein is very important. So basically it helps in growing children, and sick people require more protein in their diet. So at your age protein content is very important, children. Okay, so all these are sources of protein. This is also a source of protein. So you should, if you are vegetarian purely, please consume excess amount of pulses. If you are non-vegetarian or everything, like you can consume meat, fish, egg, everything, and please maintain your protein diet. Okay, and especially this time in during this pandemic situation, you should boost up your immunity, and it will be boosted if you are taking a proper amount of nutrient. All right, so now this was three main basic important nutrient, that is carbohydrate, fats and proteins. Okay, so carbohydrate and fat gives us energy, protein helps in development and growth of the body and especially muscles. So protein is that very important. Now apart from these three, that is carbohydrate, fats and protein, vitamins and minerals are also playing very essential role in our body. Basically if we talk about vitamin D, so vitamin D now in this present scenario of pandemic, the deficiency of vitamin D may easily, like this coronavirus can easily attack the person who is having a deficiency of vitamin D. Okay, so vitamin D we can take it, like the natural source of vitamin D is sunlight. Okay, apart from the sunlight we can also consume certain things to maintain the vitamin D level. Okay, let's see. So vitamins are the group of nutrients that our body require in a small quantity. Though they are required in a small quantity, but they are very essential. Okay, so we have a list of vitamins. So this table is, children, very important for your exam. So we have vitamin A. So see, we have vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin K. Okay, I don't know vitamin K, yes, vitamin K. So we have vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, K. Okay, 5 vitamins. A, B, C, D, K. Okay, So we have 5 types of vitamins. Vitamin E is also there, but it is not there in your syllabus, so I am not talking about that. So all these things are very important. Now A is individual, C, D, K is individual, but B is again classified into B1, B2, B3 and B12. Getting it? So we have how many vitamins? 5. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, A, B, C, D and K. A, B, C, D आपको याद रहेगा. And next we have K. Okay. Now B is bifurcated into again 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 12. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 12. Okay. So we have vitamin A, B, C, D, K. And B is bifurcated into 4 parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 12. Getting it? So now vitamin A is directly associated with the night blindness. If there is deficiency of vitamin A, the person will suffer from night blindness. Getting it? So this is vitamin A. Source of vitamin A is milk, butter, carrot basically. Tomatoes, green leafy vegetables is the source of vitamin A. Okay. Now vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is associated with berry. B for vitamin B and B for berry. So first vitamin is the deficiency of vitamin B will have this berry disease. Okay. And this disease of nervous system. Now vitamin B2 will suffer from skin diseases and retardants. B3 is also called niacin, pellagra. Vitamin B12 is very important here. So children, vitamin A is very important. Vitamin B12 is important. C, D and K is very important. Okay. So vitamin B12 is associated with anemia. What is anemia? The deficiency of hemoglobin in the blood is causing anemia. The person or the child becomes pale, very dull, feels irritation all the time, so weak from inside. So the person suffering from vitamin D. And children, this anemia, the person suffering from anemia also has a deficiency of mineral called iron. So vitamin B12 and iron is associated with anemia. Getting it? Vitamin B12 and iron is associated with anemia. Okay. Now C, vitamin C is scurvy. Vitamin C is scurvy. What happens in scurvy? The person is having a bleeding gum. Yes, the person is having a bleeding gum. दांत में और gums में जो disease हो जाती है, that is scurvy. D, from vitamin D, the main source of vitamin D is sunlight. That is why vitamin D is also called sunlight vitamin. Okay. So rickets occur. Rickets में क्या होता है? The child suffer from a bow leg. Okay, उसकी leg कैसे हो जाते हैं? Bow leg. Okay. So that is due to vitamin D. जितने भी bones की diseases होती हैं वो vitamin D की वजह से होती हैं. Vitamin D की deficiency की वजह से. Vitamin K basically helps in clotting of blood. Okay. So अगर vitamin K की deficiency है तो आपकी body में blood clot करने में बहुत मुश्किल होगी. So these are the vitamins for you. So vitamin A is night blindness, come to B12 anemia, C scurvy, D rickets and K clotting of blood. So this is important children. This table is very important. Now anything can come from this table, like match the following, fill in the blanks, anything can come from this table. Okay, now coming on to important minerals. So iron, I told you, is directly associated with anemia. Calcium, we know that अगर हम दूध नहीं पीते हैं proper, so we can have a weak bone and tooth decay. Okay. Now coming on to again here, leave potassium. Yes. Iodine. Iodine, the deficiency of iodine causes goiter. What is goiter? The swollen neck. Okay. And it occurs due to And what is the source of this iodine? It is iodized salt. अगर हम iodized salt proper amount में ले रहे हैं तो हमें हमारी बॉडी में आयोडीन की कमी नहीं होगी एंड गोइटर नहीं होगा. ओके, so this is important in mineral part. Getting my point? So these two tables are very important, children. Please go through it very thoroughly. Now water. So we know that our body, 70% of our body is made up of water. Water also helps in the process of digestion. It helps in the removal of waste from our body with the help of a urine and everything. So blood is also containing some amount of water. So water is very important. Okay, so let's see. It helps our body absorbs nutrient from the food, transport nutrient throughout the body, collects waste from different parts of the body and remove it by sweat and urine, and the body is cooled by evaporation of sweat from the skin. Okay, so getting it, this we have also studied in a detailed manner, so I'm not going into much detail of it. Now what is roughage? Children, all these things we have heard it somewhere or the other, but what is roughage? So it is not that कि हमारी बॉडी को सिर्फ इम्पॉर्टेंट और हेल्दी चीज़ें ही सिर्फ चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमको सिर्फ ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स ही खाने हैं, हमें सिर्फ दाल ही पीनी है. वी ओनली नीड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स एंड प्रोटीन्स. नो, वी ऑल्सो नीड roughage, though it is not giving us any nutrient. Roughage is not giving us any nutrient, but it is important. Why? To create a bulk in our stomach. Okay, जब कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीजें होंगी हमारे स्टमक में, then it will create a pressure and then there will be no such constipation disease or a bowel syndrome type of thing. So roughage is also very important. And roughage, the plant food such as fruits and vegetables contain carbohydrate that cannot be digested by the body. कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो हमारी बॉडी में डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो पाती हैं. In fact, it is not containing any this nutrient, this carbs and proteins and fat. They are not containing anything. Okay, they are just extra things that our body cannot digest. This is called roughage. Rough है, बेकार है. That is why it is roughage. But it is important. Why it is important? Because it adds bulk. Bulk मतलब कि अमाउंट को इंक्रीज करता है ताकि हमारे बॉडी में लाइक स्टमक में और इंटेस्टाइन में एरिया में प्रेशर बना रहे टू लाइक कॉन्स्टिपेशन की प्रॉब्लम ना हो, टू पुश अगेंस्ट द थिंग्स. ओके, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड ऑल्सो इट प्रिवेंट्स कॉन्स्टिपेशन and ensures proper bowel movement. Many doctors believe that high fiber diet reduces the risk of heart disease and bowel cancer. So roughage is also very important. Getting it? So activity is not coming in your half yearly, so I am not going into the activity part. Now nutrients in some common food items. So this is also very important, children. Cereals. What are cereals? Wheat and rice are cereal. So what they contain? They contain maximum of carbohydrate. So wheat क्या हो गया? गेहूं से क्या बनता है? आटा, और आटे से क्या बनता है हमें? रोटी. So the roti or the chapati that we eat is containing maximum of carbohydrate and less protein and a small amount of vitamins and minerals. So this provides us energy. Rice contains carbohydrate and we know that carbohydrate gives us energy. Sugar, we know that sugar contains carbohydrate and it gives us quick energy. Pulses contains protein. Okay, less carbohydrate but more protein. Fishes, meat, egg contains protein also, they contain fat also. Milk contain calcium and some vitamins. Carrot is associated with vitamin A, and if you know vitamin A was night blindness, तो आंखें कौन सही करता है? Carrot. Okay, spinach, cabbage also helps in the, like spinach is very healthy, and it gives us minerals also, it gives us calcium also, it also gives us vitamin A. So spinach is very important. It gives us vitamins and minerals and roughage. Ghee or butter, it contains fat. Where fat is written? Fat is not written. Yes, for fat, 100% fat. Butter and ghee and oil, they are containing 100% fat. Okay, so this is very important. You should know it. Okay, now what is this? Let me first introduce you. So food are divided into following groups. We have energy giving food. So कौन से energy giving food होते हैं? Carbohydrate and fat gives us energy, so they are called energy giving food. Body building food, हमारे muscles और body को कौन बनाता है? Protein. So protein is a body building food. Protective food, हमारी body को diseases से protect कौन करता है? Vitamins and minerals. So they are protective food. Okay, so we have first energy giving food, second body building food, and third protective food. So energy giving food is carbohydrate and fat, body building food is proteins, and protective food is vitamins and minerals. Now what is balanced diet? हम सब कुछ खा लें, हमें एनर्जी चाहिए तो हम सिर्फ कार्बोहाइड्रेट और प्रोटीन खा लें? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. हमारी बॉडी को एक बैलेंस, एक प्रॉपर अमाउंट में हर चीज की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड अ बैलेंस्ड डाइट. व्हेन one that contains the proper amount of each nutrient, so it is called balanced diet. I am not going into much detail of it. Cooking food, so we should cook food properly, because food can destroy vitamin C very easily. So we should not overcook the food, and we should not wash the food very rough, like again and again. तो उसमें से जितने भी nutrient content होते हैं वो release out हो जाते हैं. Now in this chapter children, this deficiency disease is very important. Okay, so I am just going it very quick. So deficiency of carbohydrate causes obesity. Okay, so this carbohydrate causes obesity. Basically eating too much of carbohydrate also leads to the ill health. जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट कंज्यूम कर लेते हैं तो ओवरवेट हो जाते हैं, और ओवरवेट से जब बहुत ज़्यादा वेट हमारा बढ़ जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ओबेसिटी. ओके, सो आई कैन शो यू इन द फिगर एज आई हैव शोन यू इन द प्रीवियस क्लासेस. सो अगेन आई हैव द सेम PPT. So see, deficiency of carbohydrate causes obesity. You can see this child is very fat and obese. So the person having obesity is very weak and have a very low stamina. Okay. Now deficiency of proteins and fats causes Kwashiorkor and Marasmus disease. So we have Kwashiorkor and Marasmus. See, the each and every bone and nerves can easily be seen in these two bodies, and this Kwashiorkor, they are having a swollen stomach, and legs are very thin. So this is due to the deficiency of proteins and fats. Okay, so here we have a table due to the deficiency of vitamins and minerals. This is very important. Disease scurvy किसकी वजह से होता है? विटामिन सी की वजह से होता है. स्कर्वी में क्या होता है बेटा? This swollen gums. So this is scurvy. Okay, then we have rickets. Rickets किसकी वजह से होता है? Deficiency of vitamin D and calcium. उसमें क्या होता है? The person is suffering with a bow leg. इसका डायग्राम आपके बुक में भी है. प्लीज गो थ्रू द डायग्राम कैन ऑल्सो कम इन योर एग्जाम्स टू आइडेंटिफाई द डिजीजेस. नाउ anemia occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin B12 and iron. So the person or the child is very pale, very dull, always suffering from fever and sneezing and everything. तो उनको बीमारी जल्दी लग जाती है. Okay, now goiter we know it is due to the deficiency of iodine. अब कैसे ये सही हो सकता है? If we take a proper amount of iodized salt. Okay, so what is goiter? In goiter, see this, the neck gets swollen, basically this thyroid region gets swollen, so that is called goiter. Getting my point? So these are the diseases. This is very important. Okay, Now let's see what next is left in your chapter. So children, this we have discussed. See, this child is suffering from a bow leg. Okay, so this child is suffering from a disease called rickets. Okay, so children, that was about the chapter. So it was a very quick revision. Okay, I'll send you the PDF, or sorry, I'll send you this worksheet of this chapter, and few more worksheets I'll keep on adding. So please do check the school app e-content. Till tomorrow I'll upload maximum of the worksheets. So please go through the worksheet and solve the worksheet. And children, in your exam, please read the questions very properly and then attempt the answer. Okay, and so all the best for your exam. Read the question very properly, attempt all the questions. Okay, so all the very best for your studies and your half yearly exams. Thank you and Jai Hind children.